Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to make a dashboard public or private in Bold BI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make your dashboard public or private to take control of your data seamlessly with access and permission of your choice. Public dashboards are accessible to anonymous users who have the dashboard link. Private dashboards are accessible to registered users in Bold BI who have appropriate permissions. Let's get started. First, I will show you how to make the dashboard public. For this example, we'll use an existing dashboard on the server. In this case, Marketing Performance Dashboard. On the dashboard server page, click the three-dot menu and select the Make Public option. A confirmation dialog will pop up. To cancel the process, select No. The dashboard will not be made public. To make it public, select Make Public. The dashboard will then be visible to the public for anyone with the link. For this example, I'll select Make Public. A notification will show confirming the update with a link if you need to share with your audience or team to easily access the dashboard. To view the dashboard set to public, click the filter icon and select Public. You can see the dashboard successfully made public. Now, anonymous users with the link can easily interact with the dashboard. Now, let's see how to set the dashboard back to private. Click the three-dot menu and select the Make Private option. From the confirmation pop-up window, select Make Private. You will see a notification of success of this process. You can see the dashboard has been removed from the public category. Now, only users with permission can access the dashboard. Here you can view and interact with your dashboard and collaborate to enhance your business with informed data-driven decisions. In this tutorial, I've shown you how to make a dashboard public or private in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you want a demo from an expert, select Request Demo to schedule a call. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.